Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So if you'd like to see how I did this and what I got, just keep on watching. So the first thing in the box was the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Cream. And since I don't really have like puffy eyes, I actually did not use this. I probably will be giving it away to somebody. And then the second thing in the box is the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream in the shade Taupe. And this retails for $26. And I had already done one brow off camera, but then this applied really well. It glided on smoothly. I liked the color. It didn't look streaky. It was like solid all throughout. The only thing I did not like about this product was the way you have to get the product out. It was really hard to get a brush in to get it onto the brush, if that makes any sense. But I mean, it ended up working in the end. It was just more of a hassle than anything.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I...
The third thing in the palette was the Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $29.99, and it's just a warm neutrals palette, which, I mean, it's really pretty. I started off with this lighter brown shade and just ran it into my crease using a Luxie tapered blending brush, and I'm just doing a super simple eye look today. I didn't do anything really out there, and then if you want to see something a little more in depth with this palette, just let me know in the comments below. Next, I am taking this really warm orangey red shade, and then I am just using that same brush, and then I'm just popping it all over my lid. And I wanted to use a blending brush because it packs the color on softer than if you used a packing brush, and I really wanted to do a light makeup kind of day today.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Then I am taking this shimmery reddish orange brownish shade, and I'm just using my finger and I'm just popping that all over my mobile lid. Now, out of all of the colors I did use, they were pretty opaque. They blended really well. I mean, they were all beautiful, and I'm sure once I use more of the colors and the palette more often, I think I'll overall like it.
Yes, I did.
And then to highlight my inner corner, I went with this shimmery white shade and just used my finger and popped it on there.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it.
And then for my lower lash line, I just started out with that lightest brown shade that I used in my crease. And then I followed that up by the warmer toned brown red color, and then just ran that closer to my lower lashes.
I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools.
The next thing in the box was the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This retails for $24, and I just popped that onto my top lashes, and I just kept the bottom alone because I didn't really want it to be too heavy of an eye look. And this mascara seemed nice. It was more on the dry side, so it's something you kind of had to layer up, but it looked really beautiful.
I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?
Then the next thing in the box is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I got the shade Desert Rose, and this is a beautiful color as well. I used the Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro Pointed Blush Brush, And when I tapped into there, I realized that it picked up a lot of product. So first I just dispersed it on each cheeks and then went to go blend it out. And it blended really nicely. It gave a nice warm toned flush of color to my cheeks. And then this wasn't in the box, obviously. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. And I just popped that onto my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And I just wanted to show you kind of like how I top off like an everyday look that I wear. And then to finish off this look, I went with the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Gloss in the shade Snuggle. And overall, I really like the contents of this box. Let me know what you got down in the comments. And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
Yes, I did.